Good morning, students. Today we will start our new topic. In chapter number 2, more on Windows 7, the topic is Exploring Pictures folder. How you explore your pictures in your folder. You all had seen in your mobile phone, all the pictures are and GIFs and other images are present in your photo gallery. Just like that, in your system also, all your photos, images, GIFs, graphics, all are present in the photo option, photo gallery. So how you will explore, how you can see that images and how you can change the view of that images in your system, we will discuss here in Windows 7 features, how you can use these features to view the images in a large manner, in a small manner, and how you can use these features. We will discuss the process in your book. So look in your book to proceed this process. Let's start topic from book. Exploring Pictures folder. In picture folder, you can store digital photos, images and graphics files. All your photos, whichever are digital, non-digital, images, all your graphics, you can store in picture folder as you store in picture folder in mobile also. Just like that, in system, you have to store all the images, photos in your picture gallery. To open this folder, click on the Start button. Firstly, you have to click on the Start button from your desktop and then select the Pictures option from the right pane. The picture folder will open. By default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnails in the Pictures gallery. When the Pictures gallery will be open, you will see your pictures are open just like that. This is called thumbnails. Okay, so pictures you will see this open like that in a broad manner. You will find various buttons like organize, share with slideshow, burn and new folder on the bar above the thumbnail. You will see these all are the options you will see on the top bar. Okay. You can also view your pictures as icons of various sizes in the pictures folder or any folder customized as a picture folder. You will see your pictures as an icon of various sizes, just like that. You can see your pictures have icons with the various different sizes. To do so, click on the drop down arrow located next to the Change Your View button on the bar above thumbnail. This is the Change Your View button. You can see and you can change the view of your images, how you want to look, how you want to see your images in a broad way, in a small way manner, icon manner, in a detailed manner. How you can see, you can change the view of your images here. Select any picture and double click on it to the preview. If you want to change the setting or you want to see where it is stored, right click or double click on it to see the preview. You get various buttons at the bottom of the pictures which help you in managing picture view. For example, viewing next or previous image, clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation of the image, magnification or reduction of the image. You can also use play slideshow option to run pictures in an automated mode. When you will double click on any image, there will be all the options: viewing, next, previous, images, clockwise, anti-clockwise. When the image will appear on the broad manner, in a big manner, these all the options are seen at the bottom of the image. Okay, you can change the rotation of your image, anti-clockwise, clockwise. You can change the image next to see the next images. and you can use play slideshow button. In a slideshow button, when you will click on it, a slideshow means these all images are appearing automatic in a 2-3 second, whatever the timing is edited on your settings. Okay, so this is all about the exploring pictures folder. So exploring picture folder will be appear just like that. All the pictures are seeing in your thumbnail manner. You can change the view of your pictures from this option. Okay, so this is all about on this topic. Thank you.